Yan ho ay, ang instructions ko po, kausapin nyo kung sino man ang mananalong kontraktor na kapag may project tayo dyan, yung unskilled workers, siguraduhin ninyo na kukunin ninyo dun sa barangay upang magkaroon ng employment opportunity o karagdagang trabaho at kita ang ating mga magsasaka at ating mga kabaranggayan, mga ganun ho, mga nakatira dun sa barangay. Kaya ho, it also pump primes. Every government is subscribed to what you say, Mr. Chairman, that if implemented properly, it's supposed to, every government spending will pump prime our economy, and it should pump prime our economy.
Actually, Mr. Chairman, I'd like to put on record, nauna yung DAR sa farm-to-market road na semento. Kayo nauna, hindi DA. DA only followed. Yung ARC niyo sementado. That's why, palakpakan na naman sarili nyo. Totoo yung Mr. Chairman kasi yung mga rice farmers namin sa Bukidnon, yung sa Maramag, sa Valencia, sa Malaybalay, yung Lower Malaybalay, lahat yun may sementadong kalsada. Tinanong ko, saan ito, ano ba, sa congressman ba to? Sa mayor? Hindi po, Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries to. ARC Cemento. Yung DA pa nun, ano lang, yung gravel road lang, yung all-weather road. Kaya dyan ang kakalukuhan dati nun, yung, ang tawag dyan, lalagyan lang ng limestone lang. Yung farm-to-market road ng DAR, Mr. Chairman, hindi pa ko because aside from the NIA putting the canals there for the farms, sementado yung cement road, yung rice areas nila, sementado yung kalsada. So sabi ko, ganda, dapat ganitong ang DA. And then DA followed suit. In fairness, DA followed suit, I think, last administration, the latter part, and this administration for sure, it's all with Kiko na. It's all cemented roads. But, nauna pong DAR. That's true. Lahat ng ARCs nila, ang gaganda ng irrigation, yung cement roads, yung partition ng mga properties and all that. Maganda. You should actually visit, Mr. Chairman, one time, an agrarian reform community na properly done. You'll be really impressed.
At saka naintindihan ko, kanina na-explain sa akin ni Secretary, na merong tagabantay on the ground, no? Yung agrarian reform communities, pati yung barangay agrarian reform. So, ibig sabihin, kung may project, babantayan talaga ng beneficiaries ng barangay, no? Unlike pag sa national, walang nagbabantay eh. Kaya ghost project or unfinished, sila talaga binabantayan. Yeah. So, that's one check and balance on the ground, no? Kaya talagang siguradong na-execute at tama yung presyo na na-execute. In fact, ito papakita ko ito kay Majority Leader, pero hindi ko ito papakita dahil nagpapalakas ako sa kanya. Alam niyo, ang COA parating may nampupunang hindi magaganda, no? Dahil trabaho nila. Pero in Bukidnon, nabasa ko lang, no? Sabi nila, out of the 63 respondents, 59 or around 93% acknowledge easier access of their livelihood to the markets as the FMRs were constructed, and majority noted increased revenues due to either higher sales volume or lower transportation. Di ako nagpapalakas kay Majority Leader, pero this is COA. This is a COA report lumabas. So, evidence that the farm-to-market roads of DAR is effective, no? Kasi tumataas yung sales ng mga beneficiaries, no? Yeah.
Sir, hindi rin ho ako nagpapalakas kay Majority Floor Leader. Pero in fairness also, sir, may I take this opportunity to thank him also because he has been guiding the agrarian reform communities also in Bukidnon. If you will remember, you have introduced to us some people who have guided us also, and I think nakausap nyo itong mga agrarian reform communities na ito na who really deserve the attention. Kaya ho, partly rin ho yan kasi ho, may credibility yung advice na binibigay ho ng ating mahal na Majority Floor Leader. Yes, sir.
sa Bukidnon may isa pang tagabantay. Ito yung tagabantay eh. Hindi papayag yan ng, siyempre hindi papayag. Si Senator Zubiri, hindi papayag yan na bulok yung project tsaka ghost project. Siguradong babantayan yan. No? So that's kaya maganda na pag-usapan to so that when we increase the budget of DAR, ma-justify natin kung bakit kailangan. Lalo na yung mga magaganda. Alam niyo yung mga COA reports na magaganda kasi we read the COA reports. Bihira talaga yung mga ganitong magagandang comments. And mga ganitong panahon, majority leader, kailangan natin ng good news eh. Puro bad news yung mga naririnig. In fact, I'm sure pareho kay Senator Zubiri, pag ini-interview kami parating about corruption, about flood control, nawawala na yung mga ganitong good news na lumalabas. No? That's why pinakita ko para malaman ng taong bayan na maraming kawani ng gobyerno gumagawa ng tama at maayos.
And Mr. Chairman, and thank you for saying that, Mr. Chairman. And hindi lang Bukidnon po, maraming agrarian reform beneficiaries, even in Central Luzon, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, so many areas na where they have agrarian reform beneficiaries. They're organized kasi, Mr. Chairman, yan ang maganda sa kanila. Hindi sila kalat na farmers na, sige, bahala na yung taniman nila doon. Ito, organized sila, and they have officers in every agrarian reform community that you go to. In the barangays that I visit with my wife, makikita mo talaga na ang kausap mo yung leaders ng agrarian reform community, yung ARC, and then yung bibigay sila ng request na additional assistance, ganyan. Pero yan ang kagandahan, hindi isa-isa. They really organize as a group. And many of the cooperatives are actually agrarian reform beneficiaries. That's why they're partners also with the cooperative sector. Kaya talagang money well spent ito, Mr. Chairman. Dagdagan natin pondo ng DAR kung pwede. Thank you, thank you.
So, wala na po akong katanungan. Majority Leader, you do the honors.
I'd like to move, Mr. Chairman, that we approve on the committee level the budget of the agrarian reform with additional funding, Mr. Chairman. Paglabas na po sa plenaryo.
There being no further questions, the budget of the Department of Agrarian Reform is now deemed submitted for plenary's consideration with the motion of additional support to the Department of Agrarian Reform. So maraming salamat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Majority Floor Leader, at hindi na ho napapatid ang utang namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat po na we are able to do these things because of your support. Nandiyan kayo sa likod namin, malakas pong loob namin. Salamat po.
Salamat din tayo kay Chairman na tiniming niya na Friday afternoon. Wala na senador na papasok. Friday afternoon. Magaling, walang tanong na. Kaya move to adjourn na, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. The hearing is